Hey, what's up, Tezos fans? It's Mac here, and today I have another exciting Tezos project update to bring to you. Flame DeFi actually has a few new projects coming out, and one that just released their version 1, which is their Flame Dex. Also, they have something else coming out, which is called Control Finance, which I'm also going to dive into more detail in a separate video. So if you want to see that video, please check out the link above. For today, we're going to go ahead and go into the FlameDex. They went ahead and released the first version. Now, this version is not the full aggregated version. Their whole point behind the FlameDex is to be able to reach out to all the different dexes on Tezos and be able to aggregate them like one inch on Ethereum. Basically, they can reach out and find out the cheapest rate or the most liquidity with the cheapest rate for each pairing. That way you, as the end user, don't have to go out and search all the different platforms and figure out which one's the best rate. Without more to do, let's go ahead and get a deeper dive into Flame DeFi. First, I'm going to head over to the Flame Twitter account, and you can go ahead and check out their Medium article on the new Flame Dex. It is token to token and as well as XTZ swaps. So it allows you to create your own pairs, so you're not limited to the pairs of the actual platform itself. Also, there's new farms, and that brings more liquidity. Okay, so they have new flame pools. You can go ahead and check out those pools, and they are either connected still to Quipu swap or they are connected to the pools on the Flame DeFi website itself. So the point behind Flame Dex, like I said before, is not just to give you another Dex on Tezos. It's to go ahead and combine all the Dexes on Tezos, so you as the end user don't have to worry about bad rates or illiquidity. You can just go ahead and check it out on Flame DeFi, and then they're going to go ahead and find the best rates for you. So apparently they're also going to do some sort of exclusive airdrop for FlameDex OG users. So this means that if you go ahead and use FlameDex now, you provide liquidity, you're going to hopefully get some sort of airdrop or something like that in the near future. Okay, so you can read more about that in the Medium article here. And the FlameDex burn flame token to reduce the supply. If FlameDex is so important for the Flame DeFi, it's because it'll allow us to burn flame. Okay, so the whole point is to eventually get to a point where flame is deflationary. Right now we're in the accumulation phase for flame. So fighting inflation has always been important for them so that there's not too much selling pressure. Okay, so you can actually head over to teztools.io and you can check out their charts. So for 90 days. Okay, so you can see it's pretty much started down here and then it went all the way up about 3x, and now it's back down to about like 1.5x here. So you can see it kind of goes up and down, but it doesn't go crazy, you know, parabolic and then just crash all of a sudden because of the crazy emissions. So they're also doing some sort of security review by Functory, so you can check that out here. So let's go ahead and head over to the Flame Dex, and you can go ahead and check out their different tokens here. One Tezos, so we can get 81 flame for that. Let's go ahead and confirm the swap. Oh, sorry, connect the wallet. Go ahead and confirm the swap. Now that I'm already logged into my wallet here. Confirm the swap. Confirm. From this page, you're going to go ahead and just go add liquidity. All right, so I typed in XTZ and the XTZ flame popped up. So just go ahead and click on the lower one because we know that's a lower amount. Just go ahead and add liquidity. It looks like it successfully submitted the transaction. Cool. So you can see here I have a little balance of XTZ and flame, and that's pretty much it. You just add the liquidity just like that. Alright, well that's basically it for today's update. Flame DeFi has been giving us update after update, as well as giving us a new deck, and soon they're going to have a lending platform as well on Tezos. And for me that's pretty bullish because they see the end user and what they need, and they go ahead and provide it. Now, I would say Tezos is having some throughput issues right now, so once Tender Break is online and working, then Flame DeFi will already have all of the different DeFi tools you need to be a professional Tezos DeFi degenerate. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you all next time.
Bro, we need to pump it. Everybody, go to Twitter and hashtag the things, pump it. You know, pump it real good. We need a good pump. Everybody deserves a nice Tezos pump.